Good morning. Good afternoon. My name is Jacob Cashwell with Rotorcraft RC. It's been over 2 years since I built my personal case. Now, time to upgrade. Upgrades, people, upgrades. I've seen a lot of advancements in the last several years in charge case design, and I wanted it in mine. Let me show you some changes we made. So my old deck was just 2 channels. As you can see, my new case has 4 channels. This is my new power cord. And I got a new switch. What about that switch? We can now make any of our fans 2-speed.
Man, I am so proud of Jacob on this build. Christmas 2.5 years ago, he got all the parts to build his own case. He did a very good job. Took about 3.5 weeks. This one, less than 1 week. He just started at the beginning of the week. We worked together on design. We cut the parts together. I helped him lay out a couple things, but basically Jacob did 99.9% of this work. As you see, we do have a new 2-speed fan setup. It's mostly designed for our bigger cases to where we can overdrive the fans on discharge. But we've come to the realization that we can underdrive the fans while you're charging because you're not creating a whole lot of heat in the case. Most of the heat is during the discharge cycle. So then you can step the fans up to a higher setting. One of the things that Jacob was adamant about is he wanted to flip up screens. Garrett. Anyways, I knew this was going to be popular when we first did it. Graphics package has been redesigned from what we used to do. He's going to redo his upper. There's an event this weekend that he's going to with his case, so he doesn't have time to do the upper. And James is doing the trace for us for the logo. It's going to be pretty incredible. I'm really happy with the way this case turned out. Thank God we still had some of the gator texture to put on the case. But spectacular job. He knew exactly what he wanted to do, and he just went for it. Really proud of you, Jake.
Thanks for the guidance, Dad. I really enjoyed doing this. Rotorcraft RC, keeping you in charge.
Could you read my notes that time?
Yes. Or can I like... So I've seen a lot of advancements. I've seen a lot of in charge case design. In charge case to mine, and I want it in mine.
In charge case to mine.
In charge case.
You're so stuck on this one, aren't you?
In charge case to mine. To mine. In charge case. Charge case. It's been 2 years since I built my personal case. Good morning.
Go to you.